How to enable and share notes on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable and share notes on Instagram, allowing you to express and share your thoughts. Make sure you have the official Instagram app to unlock this feature. To get started, open the Instagram application on your device. Once on the home page, locate and click on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the messenger section, look for notes option situated at the top of your messages. Clicking on this will take you to the space where you can write your notes. You can start writing any thoughts or ideas you want to share here. After crafting your note, click on the share button located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will allow you to share your note with your followers. This feature adds a new dimension to your Instagram experience, providing a convenient way to express yourself. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.